been 1 year since I moved here, so I'll talk a little bit about that. Yeah, because out here the age gap, it ain't too big of an issue, or it's not an issue compared to in America. Yeah, definitely try to come out here and see what it's like, visit a few locations. And if you decide to move here, don't get no long-term lease. If you plan on moving here, I recommend you get rid of everything, because the amount of money you pay for storage, you can replace everything if you plan on staying here for a long period of time. Like me, one thing I'll let y'all know though, but dating in Angeles City is a different beast. What up, everybody? On my way to get a haircut. Thought I'd do a little walk and talk using the Osmo 360. So I think I'm gonna try to do an edited video, then also do a 360 video with this one. Let y'all see what Angeles City is like. Get the experience. Get the experience of 360 view of Angeles City and everything. Get that interactive experience. Been 1 year since I moved here, so I'll talk a little bit about that. Like, cause I know when I moved here, well, right before I moved here, I took like 2 trips here. One in February, one in October. Try to experience 2 different seasons. And when I made those trips, I came here for about like 30 days, spent about a week in each location. Hey, how you doing? Spent a week in each location, like Manila, Tagata, Angeles, Subic. Yeah, if you have the ability to, before moving here, try to come out here at least a couple times. Make sure it's what you want to do, and make sure you pick the right location. I know what, for me, I didn't choose Manila because I ain't like the traffic, and also during typhoon season, they get floods down there. So I don't want to be dealing with that. But Manila's good for like nightlife. Hey, what's up, man? Manila's good for like nightlife and restaurants. And the city got some restaurants too. Go over to SM City. So I wasn't losing nothing on that aspect. But yeah, just like when I came here, just seeing like guys in their 50s, 60s, living their best life. Seeing them with a young Filipina. I was like, it just made me happy. Seeing people winning. Yeah, because out here the age gap, it ain't too big of an issue, or it's not an issue compared to in America. I know my age range has always been be old enough to drink legally and still have a heartbeat. Like, long as you're legal, we good, and we vibing, we vibing. So yeah, every city gonna offer a different vibe. Like Angel City, mostly known for walking street, nightlife, entertainment. Like if you go to Manila, like depending on where you at, you might have a little bit of a better infrastructure. Like as you can see, the sidewalks ain't the best here. So if you need a wheelchair, don't be moving to Angeles. It's a hot one today. Well, it ain't too bad. It could be worse. But yeah, definitely try to come out here and see what it's like, visit a few locations. And if you decide to move here, don't get no long-term lease when you arrive. Like check out a few spots, a few neighborhoods, get an understanding of what things actually cost. You don't want to be locked down to a place where you're not happy at. Got Phillies right here. Hey, how you doing? Just like where you can get some Western food at Phillies. Coming up on the new Hammer Cafe. But yeah, here's Walking Street. One advice that a friend told me is like, if you plan on moving here, wait a year before getting a girl. Because what's going to happen, you're going to get a girl, then you're going to see something better, be like, oh, I want that. Hey, what's up, man? Oh, no, oh, that's the way it is, because it's 360 right now.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, look, I can show you. See? You could move the camera around.
Okay,
yeah, because it's going to be a 360 video.
Oh, everything is okay?
Yeah, everything good.
I have shooting.
Oh, America? Yeah, so got my hair cut. It just sucks because everything I recorded from Walking Street up to the barbershop is gone because the camera overheated. But I think the only thing I really was saying before I went to get my haircut was if you plan on moving here, I recommend you get rid of everything, because the amount of money you pay for storage, you can replace everything if you plan on staying here for a long period of time. Like me, I plan on staying here at least 5 years, then reevaluate my situation. And if I'm paying $100 a month for 1 year, that's $1,200. Then do that over the course of 5 years, that's $6,000. So unless you hold like sentimental value to something, then I just store that stuff with a friend or a family and get rid of everything else. Because once you go back in 5 years, everything will pretty much be old anyway, especially like with electronics and everything. Then you can replace furniture, depending on what kind of furniture you got. But hopefully, if you in the process of getting rid of everything, you could probably sell some of it, make some money off of it. I wonder what they're gonna do with this area back here. Yeah. Got to do another trip back down Walker Street. But this the end of it right here. Down here at Walker Street. Red Street. Got to keep looking at my phone to make sure I'm still recording. Cause that's a good like 3-5 minutes of video that I just lost. Red Street in the daytime. Got your coconuts.
Sir, how about it, sir? Thank you.
Let's see. Hey, what's up, man? What is it called? Hey, none today. Sorry. No. Oh, the exchange rate today is 59.55. Hello. Yeah. One thing I'll let y'all know though, but Dayton and Angela City is a different beast. Cause you get so many people that's in and out The girls don't trust the guys can't really trust the girls, depending on who you mess with, so you gotta vet them right. Like, don't jump into anything, start handing over your wallet, giving them a bank account. Make sure you know who you're dealing with. Hey, what's up, man? Like some guys say, don't make a bar girl your girlfriend. I'm just like, if you're vibing, you're vibing. Just keep the standard a standard. Let your expectations be known. Only you know what you can tolerate and not tolerate. You know, like your relationship is your relationship. You just got to make sure she operating within your boundaries, you operating within her boundaries, and just know what it comes with the territory. With any relationship you get into, you just got to do a risk assessment and everything. And try to put yourself in a position where the likelihood of success is going to be increased rather than decreased. Now, with dating a bar girl, the risk is probably high of it not working. So that's something you got to take into consideration. But it's possible to work, just like any relationship in America or wherever you're from. Just got to do a proper risk assessment. Pay attention to the red flags. Don't let things slide. Always be yourself. Don't try to get someone to like you and start pretending to be something that you ain't. Because the person you think they want you to be probably ain't it. So be who you're gonna be. Be who you are. Did it disconnect again? Let's see. Oh, it's still there. Cool. But that's gonna be the end of this video. Until next time, deuce.